Hi there, Justin Deal here with Country Chevrolet to bring you this edition of our Pick of the Week, showcasing one of our many country muscle cars with this gorgeous 2018 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 with the 1LE track performance package. And with just 2,000 miles and in literally flawless condition, you'll see why this is one incredible find. Let's check it out. So, the ZL1 is a unique Camaro made in a limited quantity with some features that make it extraordinary. The ZL1 has an upgraded front bumper, giving it a lower and more aggressive look. Gloss black forged aluminum performance wheels, performance Brembo brake calipers, a unique hood with the carbon fiber center fairing, gloss black side molding, and as a 1LE with the track performance package, you'll find even more great features to include this incredible carbon fiber rear spoiler that sets this model apart from others. Additionally, the ZL1 has a bold, aggressive look that really makes it stand out from the lineup of other models of the Chevy Camaro. Now, let's look at the performance features on the ZL1. This car borrows the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 from the Chevy Z06 Corvette, which boasts a whopping 650 horsepower. That gives you a 0 to 60 time at just 3.5 seconds. On the inside, the car comes equipped with more great features, such as two-tone leather seats with red stitching with the heated and cooled option, suede leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation on this massive touchscreen display, which also features the HD rear backup camera, push-button start, plus much more. Friends, come down to our store and see this incredible machine today, while it lasts. Country Chevrolet has amazing financing options. We gladly accept trades of all kinds and are proud to offer a no-hassle sales experience and have most deals completed in less than an hour. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates of our inventory right in your news feeds. Country Chevrolet, where big city selection and savings meet small town hospitality. We'll see you soon.